Hi everyone and welcome to this vlog. In this video I will show you how to create an hash table with PowerShell. An hash table in PowerShell, it's a structured array that contains data in a structured method. For example, instead of using variables which stores variables or specific information, we can create a hash table that has structure. For example, in this video, I'm creating a hash table which has computers in it. Now, if you look closely um, in line 3, the hash table has a computer named localhost and an IP address. If you were to create a variable with a computer, you can only fit one value into the variable. But in this case, I'm actually using keys. So I've got my host name and I've got the IP address of my host name. Well, I'm also using multiple values here. So I've got two hosts. One is my local host, and there's another host, and all of them are combined into this hash table called computers. To access the value in a hash table, I can use the test connection and then just accessing my the value in my hash table. Let's go ahead and try it. Go ahead. Here you go. You see, um, I ran the command. I access the data that is stored inside the hash table. So just keep it in mind. It's really good method to access structured data. And please visit the blog post that explain more. And thank you for watching.